Hey there, it's Cynthia with the Dinner Fix. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to spatchcock a chicken. All that means is I'm going to show you how to butterfly a chicken so that it lays flat when you're cooking it. A couple of advantages of spatchcocking chicken. One, it allows for more versatility in terms of how you might cook a whole chicken, because you can cook it on the stove top, you can grill it, you can certainly cook it in the oven as well, but again, just more options. The second advantage to spatchcocking chicken is reduced cook time, where a whole chicken might take around 20-ish minutes per pound to cook. A spatchcocked chicken takes only about 10 minutes per pound to cook. So if you're short on time, this is a great technique to try if you still want a whole bird, and it's really simple to do. So let me show you how. Spatchcocking a chicken is really not that complicated as it may sound, if you have the right tools. So really all you need for this are some kitchen shears and of course a chicken. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your chicken and just flip it so you've got the back up, right, breast side down, and then you're going to take your scissors and see this little part here. This is where the tail was. We're going to come in along the side of this, and we're just going to start to cut the backbone out. Now, depending on how sharp your shears are, these aren't, okay, there we go. You might need to apply a little more leverage to get this out, but you just want to cut all the way along the length like so. And then we're just going to repeat the process on the other side. And really all we're doing here is cutting out the backbone so that we can allow this chicken to lay flat. Struggling with these shears. Should have had them sharpened before trying to do this, but you get the idea. All right. There you have it. So backbone's gone. What you're going to do now is you're going to flip this back over. So now it's kind of laying like this, but you see how the this is kind of jutting up. You're going to want to take your palm and you're going to press down to crack the ribs. I know it sounds a little gruesome, but this chicken's past the point of feeling that. So you're just going to press down. And if you heard, the ribs cracked, and now it lays flat. Now, before cooking this, what you'll want to do is you'll want to tuck the wings in. And there you have it, spatchcock chicken.